When you properly bleach the knots on your frontal or closure, you find that the scalp looks more natural. When you wear your hair, you wear it more proudly because it looks more like the hair is coming out of your scalp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly bleach your knots so that when you're in public, you wear your hair with confidence. Stay tuned. Good morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish anything that you want in life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I bleach the knots on a 4x4 lace closure. So when you're bleaching your own closure, the first thing that you're going to do is spritz the hair with water. And the reason why you want to do that is to tame any flyaways. You don't want the bleach to get on the hair, so this is an important step. Next up, I'm going to take a pin and pin a part of the closure onto a wig block. In order to bleach the knots, there are just a few ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 30 volume developer and also a bleach or lightener. Today, I'm using the Clairol 30 volume developer and the Paul Mitchell dual purpose lightener. You'll also need a mixing bowl, a whisk, and a brush or something like this to apply the bleach to the lace. Now, this demonstration I took from another video of mine that shows you how to bleach the knots on a full lace wig. If you'd like to see that video, look up to your right and I'll link it right here for you. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to bleach a closure. So to bleach a closure, you do not need this much product. For me, what works is half of this whole scoop. Putting half of that, sometimes even the full scoop for the closure. That should be more than enough product to cover the whole closure. When it comes to pouring in the developer, I don't measure it. I just eye it. I pour in very little, okay? And then I mix it around and I just look at the consistency. If it needs more product, I pour a little bit in and I keep pouring until I get a pancake batter-like consistency. The product cannot be runny because if it's runny, then it'll seep through the lace and you're gonna have so much more work to do. It's better to have the result look like a pancake-like batter consistency. If you're a beginner at bleaching your lace, listen honey, you can do this. You can do this. Just try. Just try. To start off, I'm using very light strokes. I'm not forcing the product in, I'm just lightly tapping it on and I'm making sure that it gets through the knots without forcing the product through. So I'm just gonna play this part for you so you can watch it and enjoy. I apologize in advance, you guys, because part of this footage is blurry, but you can still see what's going on. So next up, I'm taking a foil paper and I'm putting the closure onto the foil paper, okay? Now, after I put this on, I'm just gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. 35 minutes is good too. And so I'm gonna set my timer on my phone for 30 to 35 minutes and let it sit before I wash it out. All right, you guys, so it's been 30 minutes. So at this point, I just take the foil, just take it off, throw it away, and now I'm gonna rinse the closure. I rinse it for a good amount of time because I want to make sure that I completely get rid of the product before I apply the purple shampoo. I also check the knots and I check the hair to see if any product has been seeped through, and I want to make sure that I got the result I was looking for. Alright, you guys, so it's time to apply the purple shampoo. If you've made it this far yourself, you got this, girl. You did the hard part. Now it's almost over, okay? It's almost over. Take your purple shampoo and really wash that lace and wash it good. Whenever I wash the lace like this, I don't rinse it out right away. I literally put it down and I let this sit on the lace for about 30 minutes, believe it or not. And when I do this, it comes out perfect every single time. So I just leave the purple shampoo on there for 30 minutes, then I rinse it out, condition as usual, and it's all good. Alright, you guys, I thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if there's anything you feel like I left out, leave a comment below and I'll try to answer any questions as best as I can. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see all my videos. I love you guys and thank you.